Hey guys, actually today we are gonna take a look at a tool that I would highly suggest you have on your toolbox or at home. This is one of those tools that will save your life, and I mean it literally. It's a refrigerant leak detecting equipment that says here, but it is halogen leak detector. Especially now in summertime, this is highly needed. Because we have ACs running in our cars, ACs running in homes, offices, and everywhere. This tool will detect if there is some of that freon gas, or whatever you want to call it, leaking. What that gas can do actually can put you to sleep without you even noticing and cause even death. Not to mention the other things that come as side effects if you make it alive. Hopefully it never happens. But these things happen more than you think, and this is not just a tool for the HVAC guys. This is a tool for you and me to have at home. It's not the most expensive thing. It can be found on eBay and Amazon, know that. Just check for halogen leak detector. The model on this one is WJL-6000S. It is an invaluable tool. Turn it on here, and that beep is coming from it. You can increase the sensitivity. Let me turn off this light. As you see here right now, it's scanning. You can increase it to max. For example, if you suspect something in the house, let me put it here. I'm gonna try to trigger it with a simple lighter, because they have gas. Let's see if it will detect even this kind of gas. As you saw right there, it went to the max. Yes, I put it here, but actually I tested it and it can detect gas leaks too from stoves. As you saw right there. And you go around the house or wherever you have your AC, for example, AC unit where the furnace is, or if you have a portable unit or a window unit, or even the AC in your car. Because sometimes refrigerant can leak even inside the cabin. Or if you don't want it for that, you just want to troubleshoot if your car AC is leaking, you turn on your car AC on max cold and you go around the high and low pipes and check if there is any leak. And I'm going to show you here in a moment if there is leaks on my refrigerator's AC or my car's AC. Here we are inside the car. And let me turn this tool on and let me check all the vents. And as you see, there is no leak right there. There is no leak here, or right there. So I know it is safe here. I've checked it already before just to make sure that there's no freon leaks inside the cabin. But there's another place that you should check for leaks in your car. And that's under the hood, because those leaks don't always make it inside the car, and we are gonna check just that really quick. And as you see, the car is on. We turn the tool back on, and now these are your AC pipes. They go all around, and you can check because this has this kind of long probe that it can go down up to the firewall and check wherever there's junctions, especially if there's any leaks right here. And so far there's none. There's zero leaks, but just in case you need it, this is how you check your car for leaks. And so far everything is safe. There's no bad signals coming out of there, so we are good. Now let's go and check some of the refrigerators. And here's behind a refrigerator. Let me turn the tool on and I'm gonna put it on max. This, you would hear the beeps going higher and stronger if there was a problem anywhere here. And if freon leaks, check all these pipes here, for example, the high, the low. And thankfully there is nothing leaking here, I know that. But that's how you check a refrigerator for leaks. You just chase all these pipes and make sure there's nothing leaking on them. Now let's go to one of the ACs that I featured on this video before and just see if that one has any leaks. And this is the AC you've seen last time in my workshop. Let's get the tool to max and see if there's any leaks on the air itself. And so far so good. You can check on the back at where the filters go. Yes, there is a lot of dust and all that. And so far it is absolutely safe. There's no problems with it. And just that's how you check it with this device. So get one of those. You will need it. And after seeing all that, I say this is a tool that you must have. This is not a simple just, oh, have a tool to have a tool, because us guys, I know we're a little bit, we must have every tool we ever see. This one is one of those that will save your life and your family's life from freon leaks and gas leaks. You must have one of these in your tool arsenal. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you on the next one. Please like and subscribe. Bye.